today we're making a cocktail that it has tequila and then chaos. So tequila and chaos.
What's better? Look at this. You want to see some more of this? Keep watching.
I have to win it. No.
Oh, you have to keep watching.
You almost had it.
Welcome to Comet Cocktails. Dan, Derek, and Ian are gonna make the Mexican fire
Squad.
Beep. Dan, Derek, and Ian are gonna make the Mexican firing squad.
Welcome back from the jump
Yes.
No, I just
It
did.
is fantastic.
cut. You just beeped yourself?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
I don't need a jump cut because I did the beat.
Okay.
Oh, I'm sitting in water.
See?
Oh,
Jen's all wet. That's how good this drink's gonna be? That Jen's wet.
I'm wet and cold.
it's because the bottle's pink.
Yes.
Must be.
It's still. I don't know if this
So
video
what are we
goes
gonna
up in
have?
November. So this is gonna be an ounce and a half of blanco tequila, 3/4 ounce of fresh lime juice, 3/4 ounce of grenadine, 2 dashes of aromatic bitters. We're gonna use what are we using? Angostura.
Yep.
And we're gonna top with a couple ounces of soda water. Boom. It's kind of like last drink, but this drink is different. It's tequila based. It's not bitter, and it's completely different.
See? It's
Kind of like last drink, whatever.
It's different. They both have club soda, so it's a lot like the last drink.
It's a lot like the last drink, but not really.
So is he
But
actually?
all the ingredients are
Does he
different.
pronounce it as Stefan?
Anne and Jennifer, perfect enunciation of my name.
But do people call you Stefan or Steven? Because it looks like Stefan to me. But
It looks just like the last drink.
what?
You're still caught up on your same budget.
Oh, okay. This is a classic cocktail, apparently from Charles H. Baker's Gentleman's
It's okay.
Companion.
When I pour the water, it's gonna melt. And it's
Okay.
Yeah, it'll be good.
I just want to get it in there.
I know you do.
Get it in there.
It's bugging you.
It is.
Created. I think this is still being served at Ward 3 in New York City. We didn't go to Ward 3. But he added, what's his name? Kenneth at Ward 3 added to his summer menu because it was a fun and delicious cocktail that kind of fell under the right.
Yeah,
You know what it
when
was?
when is tequila not fun?
It's not right. It's not a margarita and not a paloma is what basically it comes down to. We might have.
It's like a mix in between.
Yeah, and it looks like it's gonna be perfect when we add 2 ounces of club soda on top.
Which is about what this is. Exactly what this is. I mean, because we
It's still
pre-measured this.
Yes, we did. It still didn't drop in there.
It is a live stream now.
It is,
Shut up, Jen.
you know, it's,
Good job, producer. Creating the illusion and all.
This is a cocktail. We're using clear ice cubes. Well, that's because we haven't stirred it yet. But
we
that's
need a straw.
Yeah, can you give me a
No,
straw?
it's like a Bloody Mary.
Okay, well,
What?
it only looks like a
There's
Bloody
no
Mary.
tomato juice. It's
I
slightly
know
red.
It looks like it's tomato.
It's got grenadine, so
It's
this
the
is as
grenadine.
close to a Bloody Mary as,
As
a
it is to
tequila
the last
sunrise. Wow, this is...
See, if you let me push the ice down.
See, it melted. Look.
Look.
Look how perfect that is.
No, it's still not all the way. It's not touching the
You're right, you
bottom.
can see right through it.
I don't think it needs to be all the way
You
down,
can't
though.
see
I
it.
think it's adding some effect.
It is. But
Yeah, it's making it look really chunky on the bottom.
chunky?
Yeah, see? You get the tomato effect.
Yeah. What do you mean? You're like no, and then you're like, what is that in the bottom?
Who's the guy getting pruny? Is that me?
What? Pruny?
Who's pruny? What's pruny?
What does that even mean? What are the kids saying today? Like, what the fuck is that? It's pruny. To me, that's like you've been in the bathtub too long.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Your fingers are
Like
all
you're pruny.
Anyway,
Is
what's
that like-
drink taste like?
Being salty?
It is.
Oh, maybe. It's
Oh, it's
kind of
good.
like a grapefruit flavor to it. Don't you think?
A little bit, yeah.
A little bit too.
The
Without
back
any
end.
grapefruit?
Yeah, it's got like a little.
It does.
But that's the
look
lime
like,
juice and the grenadine, I think.
Yeah,
Makes
I
my
used
mouth
to
It
love
almost
the
tastes
drink,
like
so
a-
the club soda stuck in there.
Yeah.
It almost tastes like a
Floating
paloma,
milk.
but
Without the
sweeter.
paloma. Yeah, a little sweeter flavor. Maybe a good intro for palomas. Yeah, it's just and that must just all be grenadine.
Pruning up in a tub. Okay.
You got one guy pruning up in a tub and now chunks at the bottom of the glass. Blah.
You're reading too much into it.
that was Jen.
What?
That's like calling the drink moist.
I was never in a tub.
No, you were looking
Never?
at the bottom of the drink.
That explains a lot.
I don't like to bathe in my own dirt. It's
She's
gross.
more. She likes to just be ripe.
That's right. Showers aren't in tubs.
That is so fucking weird looking.
Or the clear, because the big clear ice?
Yeah.
I think it's cool.
That's cool.
It's kind
It
of.
looks like a big chunk of fat.
It's not bad. It tastes like a
You know,
That's cool.
margarita.
You know when you have a soup and you have like a big chunk of fat that's kind of clear, it's kind of melting, it's
Gross,
rendering, and
no.
you can kind of see through it. Water at the top of a soup or something.
I would scoop that out, throw it in the sink.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Well, I mean,
It's for me.
do we have time?
A whole lot of things.
It is weird looking though. Like it's like half the drink is really up here and it's not down here.
Well, it was down there. Then the
I
ice
squeezed
fell.
it up.
Yeah.
Anyway, what's it taste like?
Tastes like a grapefruit tequila paloma. It has
It
like,
tastes
the,
like a paloma.
with a little bit of
It tastes like a cherry paloma.
yeah, like it's like,
Like
cherry
a cherry paloma.
paloma and like a little bit of allspice. Like that, it just has a little bit of that Angostura flavor, but
It's good.
it's a completely serviceable
Yeah.
drink. As well.
Yeah.
It doesn't taste like a margarita more.
That's
but
not a glowing review. This is a completely serviceable drink.
well, when you look at tequila, all the cocktails everybody serves.
It's
just
fine. It just
margarita.
lays there. It won't complain,
Right.
but it's really not going to move.
It's just dead fishing on you. Like
Now I get it.
now you get it?
Now I
Yeah. It's like, it'll do.
but it's
Wet, but it's not like.
it's kind of like a sex
just
robot.
there.
It's just there.
Yeah. No, I think it's fine. I don't.
It's something to drink because you don't have something better.
Yeah, you can drink it. You might not drink it again.
I would
You
drink
know,
this
or you
again.
might drink it twice.
I could totally drink it again.
It may end up being your go-to that you don't want your friends to see you drink.
Exactly. You don't want your friends to taste it.
Or see you tasting it.
What was it? Fishy pussy? Fishy pussy? What the?
Are you ruining the illusion again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Was there an
Check.
illusion?
Yes.
Oh.
It's thinly veiled, but it was there.
Yeah.
Very thinly. I
We tried.
thought we could just give up at this point. It's a fucking tequila drink. It's got tequila. It's like a sour tequila drink. It's perfect.
Yeah.
You don't need anything. It's poolside. It's now it might be out of season, but I still like it because I could drink tequila all season long.
Well, timing's not
Yeah, it's better than Corona.
It's better than it's better than
Yeah.
Corona. That's also like saying it's serviceable.
You know what it needs?
No, what does it need?
That's like saying
It's an
better
orange
than milk,
slice.
'cause they're-
It needs-
It needs an orange slice.
Well, if only we,
Oh, we have a whole orange right there. Let's
if
see
only we
it.
cut them thinner in the first place.
Dan
Is that a challenge?
Ontiveros
I
is
got
the
a challenge. Let's
executive
see.
producer.
Cut it.
All right, let me get the pith out.
All right.
At this point, we're in extra innings.
Let's see.
I don't know what the fuck they're gonna do.
Orange.
Oh, that is a good one.
Oh, you ruined it if you made it. If he can't, you
No.
can't call him out on it.
Let's see. I don't call him out. If he shows me up, that's what happens.
Yeah, he's fine with it.
Yeah. I'm
Yeah,
okay.
I'm fine with that too.
Yeah.
I mean, if I think we work together long enough
That's right.
that we can accept
You saw
the
those failings.
constructive
Yes.
whatchamacthings.
All right,
See? Now it's even better.
it's even better now.
Now it like covers it up. It's like putting a.
By the way, this
like
was
putting
submitted
a mask on.
by Stefan.
Or
Boise.
blindfold on yourself.
Now I need to know how
Yeah.
you say Stefan's last name. Did we decide Stefan is how you say his name?
Foisey.
I said Boise, but I was expecting something different.
Why would you expect something different?
I don't know what's going on over there.
Door works.
Stefan Foisey.
Okay, we'll go with that. So
The producer just left. She was
Hold
so.
on.
She's, yeah.
So, now that just happened, there's probably a jump cut in here someplace. You guys should go use coupon code October19 on awesomedrinks.com. Get yourself some Chicago highballs because they're like fucking from Chicago or wherever we are, Boston, this area.
Yeah.
I don't know what makes them
everybody
Chicago.
needs
Just like the
Yeah.
last drink.
Damn close to Chicago.
It's just
Boston.
Like, just like the last drink.
Yeah.
Chicago.
Nothing like.
It's the same thing. There you go. Sidebar, more videos like this down below. Awesome Drinks Bartender Starter Kit where you can get to making the cocktails like Ian's been doing over there. You just got to get one of these things for your shoulder and you'll be good to go.
Yeah.
That's it.
Just make sure you wipe your hands.
We'll teach you how to drink.